Hello, and welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to disable autoplay videos on the X mobile app. If you're tired of videos playing automatically and using up your data, this guide is for you. Follow along carefully so you don't miss a step. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. After that, select Settings and Privacy from the options that appear. Now tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. From here, tap on Data Usage. Scroll down the page until you see an option called Video Autoplay. Tap on it. You'll now see three options: on mobile data and Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi only, and Never. Choose Never to completely turn off autoplay videos. Once selected, the setting is saved automatically. You can now exit the menu. That's it. You've successfully disabled autoplay videos on X. If this video helped you, feel free to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more easy tutorials like this one.